Cleanroom installation site, here we go. Walls and ceiling are being installed, every joint sealed tight and seamless. The ceiling frame is taking shape, level and airtight, the bedrock of a clean space. Key air ducts are in place, they're the core for airflow control. Ceiling suspension rods are firmly fixed, supporting the whole ceiling, safe and solid. Quality is in the details. A high-standard clean space, built step by step.